Let me ask you something. Why are people suddenly Googling Elon Musk's net worth, mortgages, CPI, Nike stock, and even gas stations all in the same week? Because when Google searches spike, money is moving, fear is building, and opportunity is hiding in plain sight. Today, I'm breaking down the top US Google trends from the last 7 days and what they really tell us about the economy, the stock market, and your money. This isn't hype, this is behavior. Let's get into it. 1. Elon Musk net worth. Billionaires as market signals. Elon Musk's net worth didn't trend because people love numbers. It trended because people wanted to know what just changed. Whenever Tesla moves, whenever AI headlines drop, whenever SpaceX valuation rumors leak, people don't ask why, they ask how rich is he now? That tells us something important. In 2025, billionaires are treated like economic indicators. If Musk is winning, people believe tech is winning. If his wealth drops, fear spreads fast. This is personality-driven capitalism, and retail investors follow it closely. Number 2. Nike stock. The consumer is under pressure. Nike stock started trending right after fresh headlines. And Nike isn't just a shoe company, it's a consumer confidence meter. When Nike struggles, it means people are cutting back, less spending, more caution. That's why investors Googled Nike after the price moved. They weren't researching, they were reacting. And reaction-driven markets are emotional markets. Number 3. CPI. Inflation still controls everything. CPI spiked on Google, and that's no surprise, because CPI decides interest rates, mortgage costs, stock market direction, even crypto prices. People don't Google CPI for fun. They Google it because inflation decides how expensive life is. One number, millions of lives affected. And every CPI report brings the same question: is the Fed done or not? Number 4. Mortgage searches exploded. Housing anxiety is back. Mortgage searches surged more than almost anything else. That means one thing: rates moved, or people think they're about to. Housing is emotional. It's not charts, it's families. Every rate change triggers panic or hope, and right now, people are watching closely. Number 5. MU stock and CoreWeave, the AI infrastructure gold rush. Micron, CoreWeave, semiconductors, AI servers. These aren't consumer brands, these are the picks and shovels of AI. Retail investors are realizing something. You don't need to own the AI app, you can own the hardware behind it. That's why these names trend fast. AI isn't a future story anymore, it's a spending story. Number 6. Tay Technologies, the next what-if bet. Tay Technologies trended briefly, but that matters. Fusion energy is the ultimate dream trade. Clean, unlimited, world-changing. Any hint of progress brings one question: is this the next Tesla before Tesla? Short attention, big imagination. That's modern investing. Number 7. Shell, gas stations, and energy fear. Shell trended. Gas stations spiked 1,000%. That doesn't happen randomly. Energy prices are still one headline away from shock. War, supply, OPEC. Gas prices are inflation people can see, and when they move, panic follows. Number 8. Tilray and iRobot, speculation versus survival. Tilray trending means one thing: speculation is live. Cannabis stocks don't move on fundamentals, they move on hope. Meanwhile, iRobot trending tells a darker story. A once dominant tech brand, now fighting relevance. This is what fast innovation does. It rewards speed and punishes comfort. Number 9. OPM Pay Scale 2026. Safety is the new luxury. Federal pay scale searches jumped. That's not about raises, it's about security. When markets feel unstable, people look for guaranteed paychecks.
Risk used to be exciting. Now, stability is. Number 10. BOJ rate decision and currency exchange. Global money moves. People even Googled the Bank of Japan. That tells you everything. Markets are global now. What Japan does affects U.S. stocks, bonds, and the dollar. Currency exchange searches rising means travel, remittances, and dollar anxiety. Number 11. Stock market, the ultimate fear search. When people Google stock market, they're not investing. They're checking if everything's okay. That's sentiment, and sentiment moves markets faster than logic. This week's Google searches reveal 4 truths. 1 is people are still scared of inflation. 2 is AI is pulling money toward infrastructure. 3 is stability is beating risk. And 4 is markets are emotional, fast, and personality-driven. If you understand what people search for, you understand what they fear. And fear always moves money. If this helped you understand the market better, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.